Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Today I want to share a very useful verb in Korean, 보내다, which means to send. And this verb is commonly used in many situations, whether you're sending a message, a gift, or even an email. Let's dive into some examples so you can see how to use it. First, let's go over a few sentences that show how flexible this verb is in daily conversation. 편지를 보냅니다. This means I send a letter. It can also mean he or she sends a letter. 이메일을 보낼 거예요. In this example, we're saying I will send an email. Here we see 보내다 in future tense. 사진을 보내줄 수 있어요? This question asks, can you send a photo? Notice the polite request form here, which is great for conversations. 택배를 어제 보냈어요. I sent the package yesterday. Here we use the past tense, which is very common for discussing things you have already sent. 편지를 보내기 위해 우체국에 갔어요. This sentence means I went to the post office to send a letter. The verb 보내다 is used with 기 위해 to express the purpose of going somewhere. 이 파일을 보내주세요. Please send this file. 이메일을 보낼 때 실수를 하지 마세요. Don't make any mistakes when sending the email. 선물을 보낸다고 했어요. They said they would send a gift. 메시지를 보내고 싶었는데 시간이 없었어요. I wanted to send a message but I didn't have time. 선물을 보내지 않고 직접 줄 거예요. I won't send the gift. I will give it directly. 택배를 보내려면 어디로 가야 해요? Where should I go to send a package? 편지를 보내기 전에 주소를 확인하세요. Please check the address before sending the letter. 메시지를 보낼까요? Shall we send a message? That's it for today. Practice using 보내다 in your sentences. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 안녕히 계세요.